Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have RIC HASSANI with the song called I Love You. So RIC HASSANI, a long time no see, but we had him here before on Gordon Guitar, like a Queen, for instance. Nice song there. So this one, I Love You, it's about 3 different chords and one chord progression that goes pretty much in the same way from the beginning till the very end. So let's dive into this one. No need for any capo here, so we're gonna go with the B minor first. That's a bar chord. You place the bar here on the 2nd fret. You don't have to bar the last E string, so just 5 strings from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so that's a B minor. The next is A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And then we have the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Alright, so we're gonna learn the strumming pattern first. So if you grab the B minor, that's the 1st chord. One strumming round will be down, up, clap, down. Alright, so that is down, up, clap, down. So down, short pause, and then comes up, clap, down. And a couple rounds of it to get the feeling for it. Sounds like this. Alright, so we're ready for this, and 95% of the times here we're gonna play a chord progression that goes B minor 2 string rounds, A 2 string rounds, and G 4. But sometimes it changes a little bit there in the end, so it starts in the same way. It goes B minor 2, A 2, and then you're gonna play G 3 and A 1, and then go back again to B minor. So sometimes it goes G 4 and that's it, and sometimes the end is split there between G and A, so G 3 and A 1. So most of the times it goes like this. G4. Sometimes like this. So there you have it, guys. RIC HASSANI's I Love You, an uplifting song with some good vibes if you watch the music video there with all the people dancing and are happy like this. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a like if you liked it and support me here on Gordon Guitar. Until next time, play tuned.